Hey, you're probably wondering where I've been. Well, I've made a bit of a dint in my finger. Sort of had an accident and I've broken the tip of my bone at the end of my index finger. And, well, I should be resting up and letting it knit, but I didn't know it was broken until yesterday. And now it's been 3 weeks. So I've got some gigs this weekend that I just simply cannot get out of. I need the money. And I also have the ABBA show coming up in 2 weeks. So I'm going to be resting it in between and hoping the bone knits, but the ABBA show has to go on. So, and then after that, I have 8 weeks in a splint. So in the meantime, my finger feels okay, so I can teach you how to play this very important riff in Money, Money, Money by ABBA. So it goes like this. You've got this A minor shape, which is 5, 4, 5, 7. And we're going to go, and straight after that, we're going to pick like so. And then to the F7 chord, which is barring the 5th fret, and adding your second finger to the 6th fret, and then the same picking, and then we're back onto the D minor shape. So that's the 5th fret, and you've got your finger up there on the 7th, and then this chord, which is your E7, but we're going to raise the 5th one semitone there. So you've got, and then A minor. So all together. And then if you can get the speed up, day to pay the bills I have to pay. Ain't it sad? Now all the chords are available over at my Patreon page. If you're not a Patreon, please consider becoming my patron, because it's a very good deal. So we have the entire 21 songs from the ABBA songbook sitting there waiting for the day. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. You're awesome! And see you at a show if you can make it. If not, see you in the next video.